Hello and welcome to Dream About Anything. This time you will see one cool ambient project as a conclusion of Dream Machine series. One of the best uses for LED strip light is indirect lighting project. Indirect lighting is a great way to add texture, focus, layering and accent color to rooms throughout the house. So first, let me show you what I use. 2 aluminum LED strip channels. My initial measurement show me that I will need a total of 2.4 meters from both of them. 2 small cans, some cement, cable for the electrical circuit, LED strip controller, and of course the addressable LED strip. I will also need a soldering iron, a cordless drill, and a hacksaw. I'm starting with simple pre-install test. A whole 12-volt RGB strip roll and a LED controller. For my type of strip, the connection should be red to VCC, green to data and white to GND. I haven't bought a good power supply yet, so for now I will use this one. It works, the default rainbow sequence starts. I wonder if the available controller app for Android actually works. I have no idea what I need to do, but I'm going with the flow. I need to press one small button, but it's really tricky. A small screwdriver comes to rescue. I don't know how, but my phone finally connects. It doesn't seem to be doing the right thing, but it's okay for now. Moving to step 2, measuring and markings. I will need 2 15 cm pieces and 2 with length of 70 cm. A hacksaw is the right tool for cutting the aluminum channel. A few cuts later. And here's the cutted pieces, long one for the below of the desk, short for the above. Fixing the strip into the profiles is easy, thanks to the strip double-sided tape. Placing it in a channel is needed for a better heat and light dissipation. Of course, the strip should be only cut in certain places. some screws and nuts for the next step, and a drill bit too. I planned short lights to have mounting holes. These two cans will act as a foundations. The cans have straight vertical line. How convenient! Printing something with the right sizes. You know how challenging could it be. That's right, it's a label for the can. Maybe I should have used thicker paper. Yes, the can will fix the light strip vertical. In this case, size doesn't matter. They looks ready, but there is a lot of work left on this too. Thick 3-conductor cable. Not the best option, but currently I have only this. Wire stripping is easy with the correct tool. I connect both strips to the same input signal. Important thing here is to solder the blue data in wire on proper end of the strip. Drilling the outlet to the LED strip. The hole should be wide enough for the 3 conductors. Drilling the inlet hole. When the cable and strip are finally fixed, it comes turn to placing the diffuser. Both vertical whites are almost ready at this point. Soldering our wires into one circuit. No special skills are needed. A little more attention is needed when using lighter over heat shrink tube. And here it is, the first test. Four of them are in sync. And no weird pixels. And now, the final step. As you see, the vertical white bases are too wide and cause the whole thing to roll over. I guess you have already figured out what I'm going to do. Creating a cement mixture by side. After pouring it into the cans and dry, it will have the weight to keep the white straight. It's time to find the right place for these two vertical whites. They will be hidden behind the monitor, illuminating the wall behind it. Both under white's color transition will be driven from center of the desk to the edges. I'm expecting around 22 watts of consumption, so I bought a 30 watt power brick. It's time to power on. What the fuck is wrong with this thing? Come on! And let there be light. Like and subscribe, boys and girls.